Hey, hello to our amazing Crestwood staff, our Crestwood community, our students, and our families for making this such an incredible year of learning and fun. Recently, we presented our learning report as principals to the Board of Education to share the great things happening for students and our community at Crestwood this year. Our staff is honored to serve such an incredible group of students and our families, as am I. We'd like to provide you, our Crestwood community, with some of the highlights from that learning report. So let's take a look at our first slide. So our first slide takes a look at social emotional learning. The items we focused on centered around Lindbergh Life success skills of empathy, respect, and relationships. The images here show our social skills groups and our counselors' helpers. But I want to focus on the bottom left image. The bottom left image is from our Trimester 2 School-Wide Celebration Day. Back in the first trimester of the school year, Crestwood held a school-wide assembly to recognize certain students within each classrooms who demonstrated curiosity, caring, kindness, and responsibility. With the primary goal of continually building a culture of belonging, we switched things up at the end of trimester 2 by providing every student in the school with a lanyard and a name badge for the day. Every staff person, custodians, and building assistants to the lunchroom were given strips of round stickers that said things like, "I'm creative, I am kind, I am curious." Our goal as a full staff community for the day was to ensure that every single student in our care received a one-to-one moment with an adult that provided them with an affirmation sticker. It was more than just a sticker, it was all about sharing a personal moment with a caring adult, and at the end of the day, we celebrated with a mini dance party for each grade level. The next slide focuses on the 4 C's. Crestwood Elementary is in its 3rd year of an ongoing journey towards being awarded the title of Missouri Green School. So let's take a look at that top picture on this slide. These are examples of Crestwood's work to merge the design thinking process with our garden program. Students are learning about where their food comes from, as well as learning the importance of being in nature every day. Crestwood's sustainability and gardening initiatives an engineering design lab program provide opportunities that have made our garden one of the most popular spaces in our school. And then let's take a look at that bottom right image. That's an example of the entire 4th grade that developed the Black History Wax Museum, where students collaborated, researched, and presented an exhibit of Black Americans who shaped our history. And highlights from our final slide is about personalized learning. At Crestwood, we aim for our students to be self-directed learners in a community that encourages them to explore interests, ask questions, and assess their own learning. The images on the left side are examples of students providing reflective feedback of their own learning, looking at their own data to identify goals and outline the process to reach those goals. The bottom right image shows one of our students, through individualized support, charting his math goals and celebrating the success of meeting that goal. The flexibility that personalized learning practices bring our students is empowering and results in a more relevant learning environment for everyone in our care. All right, Crestwood community, thank you so much. We are looking forward to a great summer and a great 23-24 school year. Take care.